flood emergency for areas surrounding the towns of Mount Airy and Pilot Mountain. The National Weather Service in Blacksburg has issued a flash flood warning for northeastern Surry County in northwestern North Carolina until 8:30 a.m. Sunday. At 12:32 a.m., Doppler radar indicated that heavy rain has exited the hardest hit areas of eastern Surry County, western Stokes County, and southwest Patrick County. Between 4 and locally 7 inches of rain have fallen since around 8 p.m. Saturday evening. Severe flash flooding is already occurring, with numerous water rescues taking place in the Mount Airy and Pilot Mountain areas. Rutledge Creek, Seed Cane Creek, Faulkner Creek, and the Arad River all continue to rise extremely quickly, and are reported flowing out of their banks and surrounding nearby homes. Roads that are expected to be flooded and impassable include East Pine Street, Riverside Drive, Westfield Road, and Welcome Baptist Church Road, to name a few. This is a flash flood emergency for areas surrounding the towns of Mount Airy and Pilot Mountain. This is a particularly dangerous situation. Seek higher ground now. Hazard, life-threatening flash flooding. Thunderstorms producing flash flooding. Source, radar. Impact, this is a particularly dangerous situation. Seek higher ground now. Life-threatening flash flooding of low water crossings, small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets and underpasses. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Mount Airy, Flat Rock, Pilot Mountain, Cana, Woodville, Arad, Westfield. This includes the following streams and drainages: Big Creek, Arad River, Bull Creek and Archies Creek. Move to higher ground now. This is an extremely dangerous and life-threatening situation. Do not attempt to travel unless you are fleeing an area subject to flooding or under an evacuation order.